So the unit we're demoing here is going to be a DisplayPort to DVI extender unit over UTP. The part number is R06-EXT-UP-DVI-S. So here is the unit. Now, this is a short distance version. So I'm going to be using a shorter cable than we usually normally use. And in this thing, the limit is 50 feet. And that's what I'm using right here. A 50 feet Cat 6 cable, solid wire, 24 gauge. So let me introduce the unit. So here we have is the transmitter side. So you notice there's one DisplayPort cable. This goes to the computer or your DisplayPort source. And on the unit it has a UTP connector. This is where the UTP could come out from, as well, and then also has a micro USB. This is where you get power, because this unit requires power, and you can just use any USB power source. In my case, I'll be using a USB power from the computer. On the other end, we have this unit here. This is a receiver unit. So it comes in UTP in, and then converts to change to DVI. So that's this unit right now. So let me start connecting everything first. So if you look, I want to first connect a micro power to my computer, and then I am going to plug the UTP cable into it, like so. So you see I plug my UTP cable in, and then that's next to my power cable. And right here, you notice the green and orange light comes on. Maybe that's because it's getting power from the USB. Although my computer's off right now, but still, I think it still gives a little power, which is fine. And then lastly, I plug into the computer. Okay? On my other end, I plug my other end of the UTP cable to my receiver unit, like so. And I plug this into the TV. Like so. So here, everything is ready to go. So now all I do is turn my computer on, turn my monitor on. So now we turn my monitor on, and once I turn my monitor on, it gets my unit here sees power, green, meaning it sees power, because my monitor is the DVI port is supplying power, or some kind of power. And then I also turn my computer on. So we started from a completely cold boot, and now here you see video comes up. This is my boot up screen from my computer. Everything is passing through my units. Okay, so the unit is loading up. You see my Windows screen up right here. Now, let me show you real quick. So videos already come up and very nice, over 150 feet, Cat 6. Solid wire again, solid wire. Now, real quick, our max resolution we can support up to is 1080, 1920 1080, which I have set right here. You see here, resolution 1920 1080. Now, this unit has its own EDID installed into the transmitter unit, and you can see that from here. The UTP, that's what we call it. We have a built-in EDID table, and that's what it is, the UTP extender. So, with this, everything works nicely at 1080p. Let me bring up a test pattern real quick to show you like a pattern for this monitor. So here you see a test pattern. You see all the colors, okay, sample colors, as well as these lines, and to tell you if there's any skew or any distortions. And judging by this, there's nothing of the sort. So this unit, this is how it's supposed to function.